Igelibeke come. Ori. And I say, Yaro. Yaro. If you cannot be Yaro way. If you do. Oh, one of one I will be a guy. Oh, one of the agua was see me. Hey, but this man. Who he does he? Oh, Degbe of Europe. He oh, one another agua was see me. My friends see the book sound. All the women they back book power. Oh, man, wait all ye Spain, all ye Papillona, or what are the transits again to another Zanga in Verona, Porto Nova. Honor yari kiosime. La koto soto lobata sata. Kwadada inatu inawele. Ina blo ina zieyo. Ina woko. Ina woko. Ina tue. Shake your bekusu tue. Hell baba. Eziza. Ena meri gitu be. Eni gitu owa ina galifatisis. Ina wuko, ina guinya, abeti guipe, emo wena bi kale, imiari guana baba, heo raveni ye kochi, biari guana, ina udazi, epuwe ye wo asiwo, baba isma, onari tomi webu. Ina wa yu gbegbe libya gbegbe Morocco, gbegbe zigizigi na wa le, matarina si na wa lebu. Na do ahu awo degle obo he baba o he na gbogbe ni o he no oge o he no si okpe akoto e ya dekun o wona ri ogwi menne ne ke lost wa o wona ri ogwi me ina lost a 2-bedroom. When you are under grace you can never be disgraced. One of Scandinavia no re Number 17B, Ulemon Quarter. No, Ulemon Quarter. What pass Sakoba Road? Faith 1 of Scandinavia. Faith Idehe Foundation 1 of Scandinavia. E Faith Idehe ni karan. Waya on. No, re Sweden. Mammon City. Ebone. Olakoko Talk Show. Na mi agbadia. E boyfriend okay. No, Verona Porto Nova. Mumu lete ki ali diga ho. But for the guy me. Oh yeah, my guy, my Jew. Mumu lete ki ali dik by your women on a davat. Oh no, yeah, we guy. Asaka. A story nyakba. Ekiamen. Oh Marie Bagbe. A story mumu lete ki ali. Ekiame Marie Bagbe. Ekiame Marie Bagbe. Inawiyayo. Ofoya omekiame. Ekiame do guawenye. Gofoni ya uwe guawenye. Abe la pobo guawenye. Egi uwe do guawenye. Ayo ikon do guawenye. Ekiame do guawenye. Abe la pobo guawenye. Egi uwe na guawenye. Ayo ikon do guawenye. Ekiame gebe guawenye. Givini ya uwe guawenye. Orome ko guawenye. Egi uwe no gune guawenye. Awiya wenye guawenye. Eniya gwe kiame. Imwe mari la ogogo amu enegbo gbere Europe ni wa lowe gegi yan agi don wa mi agwa wonye eni pono gune gwa wonye agi doyo gwa wonye eni pono university gwa wonye agi doyo gwa inado neru ni kan iri onegwe mumu lete ka lead ona pa yo women ona ya lo ye ku biare be Verona Porto Nova ni mena mi agbadia women my own city my number 1 city in Europe my own G for them is iwa Mama mia, oh, we in Italy guy. Man. Momo let take your lead. Oh, but pass me the ganja and the dodo. Me, I want to keep a breast. Oh, I want to suck a breast now. Go. Me, I want to keep pussy. Oh, but pass me the ganja and the becus. Me, I want to knock the suma. Oh, I want to knock the suma. Me, I want to knock the breast. Oh, I want to pass you. Claro. This is Claro becus. It's a no boy. No, what they pay me. No, what they pay me. If you not see this woman for social media, you not go say beautiful, lovely woman, see sexy woman. Oh, you can make a picture of the movie or distract you. Come on, him. No, what I mean, no, damn it, no, ya damn it, say, no, ya damn it, oh, go na way your mom will let take your lady, no, papilo, no, no, ya damn it, say, moon let take your lady, no, ya damn it, moon let take your lady, no, worry, papilo, no, ya damn it, say, what damn it, oh, ya do. Moon let take your lady, no, mwe picture gawi no wage o mana ka mwa we no kuna gbase ebo zena we no why mama ovon wewe woji. This is Manchester United. On a Manchester United. You know you ona go down ona you ko tin no about me very no roge iyego go down wa you down yi oni mejike oni na cupboard. Odao yana muso yeka go horion. Iyego noro is described as a cupboard. Odao yana musi wa the cupboard ya musi yeka pala. Iyego wa flat yeke. Man there no but to no. We no da ovon. Iyego yeti wo. Oni aziwo wo. Can you imagine? We no go na iri ase. Any go wagona, any great fetch one of Scandinavia senior dog. Or senior dog, when you see a dama, a male senior dog. I want to expose everything now. I want to expose. I want Shelly be there, expose everything. We met a video for you. Matter only go is there. We can only see any. We can see on I work Calivia for. My people, work, baby. We not say fetch one of Scandinavia come my house. During that December period, that was 2 years ago. We agreed, Faith come my house, she cook, she carry me go supermarket, she do shopping, she cook for me, she was so nice. My landlord come, she need that because of him brother fed that house. Him brother Jolly, when we come get my that time, we go visit my house, go give a nogi. Faith come, cause make another saga in my master guy brother again, come beg me, because he want to greet me for house. I can't really say okay, no problem. Faith really come. She really talk. We are just playing. I will enter live video. Faith enter my bedroom. He arrange my room. He sweep. On that very day, he come my office where we do live video. He did there. We gotta do live video together. All of them watch. He even sit up my laugh. He even kiss me for live video. But me and Faith not do anything. We not knock. We not blow. I not even tell Faith say I love you. I want you. I want to make with the date. Nothing like that. You understand? That's what we take play, dance, whole body. We drink, we must that they do. Everything was on live. After Faith come out, when saga can start, when I still they say I collect Faith for her hand. Everything now we are. Me I marry in Umenwan. Umenwan, where we marry me. Faith called talk. Faith was really serious. Faith was in front of Umenwan. We marry me. Then this Odette Pepe, they come for my live video. Me I never did it, which is Mumula Tekali. So why that how? Faith no have Mumula Tekali no la go. Umenwan, very nice person, very neat. So why they neat? You understand? But I don't know damn it, you understand? You like Umenwan. La go mommy, Umenwan. Umenwan area on here. You understand? That day, what you wanna get? He just said, no America. He just not send him 500 euros. On our way 250 or woman. On our way 250 or a guy. My wife back cruise. You must drive me. Now we want bless the guy because he will get to deal with me. So now call it the way. Alpha, my babe say money come. So go withdraw. Say 250 your own, 250 my own. Cause really say yes, and the guy drive come out. The guy pick me. As we they drive, they go. Mumula Tekiali did not call. This guy do it, prove it. Mumula Tekiali called me when we were driving on the highway. Unless one beg him any loud. They have friend they face. If they fit he like him, a phone in the speaker. Understand? So I like Mumula Tekiali do it. If it's a nice person, or go alive, or they okay. But it might be my mwe near afraid because why? Also, on my own, which is attitude. You know, what's my own? You know, I'm watching now. Am I friend of Fetina? This a live video where Moria Feti in your body. You understand? You know, so he had friend of feet. We feel just be friend normally. Oh, you remember now? You remember the way birthday? More when see the birthday, we did together. Make go Bugana, follow the go kitchen, go pack food, come. You understand? We just do like brother and sister. You understand? But when they fetch you, you are not love your day go break. I'm not go never. It can make back. In my way, Emma, she good, but my mind don't go to date fit. Oh no, ta, my mini, petty lucky way, babe, my way wagwan. And now I can make it. Why open up to me? Why open up to well like a baba with this? Not like a yati call it. You say me no, my way wagwan. Now so this woman take convince me different now we know. My drive here. Man have fool. My fool. I got nowhere. Now force. Which one? This one they call this me you do it pair. After us, a boyfriend they face. Near one take a friend the again. Near one you all. Only Senege Pedro Peco. It's not. You know, that's the way effectively Peco, you know. Men did the fit enough to us. Me and Peco they see for club. Peco they buy me drink. You understand? I they buy Peco drink almost normally as a guy man. So Peco don't mean okay. For example, you come fit come greet me for us now. I can carry fit go club. Peco go see me and fit day club sit down they drink the most like boyfriend and girlfriend. How Peco which can ask Peco go to look me? I'm beside a presenter. If you cast somebody that say I'm going to collect my guy, woman, which can I be that one? Guy, don't make sense. You understand? When I get home, my brother, so nobody but my brother. When the woman was as a all those things they talk, no answer. Boon, let it kill it. Behold, my lovely people, I greet you with better style. Faith boyfriends. Now let it kill it, the friend. Hello. Voila. Voila, be like chocolato, Umenwan chocolato, oh, chocolato, Umenwan pepe. Faith, boyfriend. Now, mumu let ekiali. Oh, make ya him. Oh, make ya her to check your back to I check your to. Can you just imagine? That's the way you call your sister. Mumu let me understand that first one of Scandinavia now her sister. Hello, Europe, no sister, no brother, but knock you want knock. You see all these condemned women that they look for man. I said, but don't day. Men is scarce. Oh, man, when I go drill na character. When I drill na character, all this character they show say, you not go help. You not go help. This character when I drill, not be Peco. The recent boyfriend, the boy when you ain't there, so the husband of Faith, so. Oh yeah, more coffee. More not be like say we talk much. More coffee. Me auntie Faith now. But see. As this matter of work herself, Mumula technically did not put it upon herself. Because you see, now Umenwan, now handle the matter. He want to come talk inside. Go to call the boy. They insult the boy and the family of the boy. You understand? Ono a few no man unwen yak bekime, ono ya yak beki e odafe fit. You go no ho ana. Ono a fear give family day. Ohama mo de magbeko. Well, who are not pay? Uzua na niwe la webu. Niwe ya la webu uwe emi ya zua. No clear, no webi clear. I can bulo here at the end of the day. You still remain single with 4 children. two papa, no husband. No husband. Oh, whether a month and 6 months, a year and 6 months, that's my work here. Then you're not coming to tell me on social media where 3 years you marry. Oh, I don't hear this well. I love it.